How to share games on Steam. So first, just open up the borrower's account. So this is the account where I want to let my games be borrowed. So just simply click on Steam here on the top left, then click on settings, then go to security and make sure that 2FA is turned on. So once that's done, just simply log out of this account and just sign in to the account that we are going to borrow the games from. And now we are here and make sure that this account also has the 2FA code running. So now just go to Steam again, then click on settings. Now go to family, and once you're here, just simply click on authorize library sharing on this device. So select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. So when I turn this on, as you can see, you're now here. So just wait for it to load for a minute. And now as you can see, this is the account that I had earlier. And if I want to let this user borrow my games or share my library, just simply click on this button right here. Then just simply go to family library sharing. So click on manage. As you can see, you could authorize devices or computers. So family library sharing allows selected accounts to use your game library on authorized computers while you're not playing. So you can authorize up to 10 computers at the same time. As you can see, if you want to revoke the authorization of the device, just simply do it right here. And here also you could revoke the user. So the computer must be authorized first before the account can basically play. You could also see the time added right here. So if you want someone to play with your games, just simply log into the borrower's account first, then log out, then log in to the account where the games will be borrowed, so that it can be authorized and the computer can scan if there are any other accounts that are available or have been logged in on that particular computer. And that's basically share games on Steam.